Aloha, I'm Aegean. Yeah, nice to meet you. We are from NewSmart. We are making the paper cup machine. This is our machine. This is the products from our machine. You can find in the market. So not only this cup, you see in the market, in the KFC, McDonald's, something the different place you can find the paper cups. It is very popular that you will use in life. So we are making the machine. Our machine is Servo driven. It is different from the market than mechanical type. With the gears and the chains, we have the new technology and make sure the machine running very smoothly. This is our machine inside design, and you can check that it is very clear and very smoothly and very new. Okay, so you see our machine is equipped with 11 servo motors and speed the machine running at speed 150 pieces per minute. It's very stable speed. Okay. So we are now, it's our first time to facing you in the online to promoting to suggest you our new machine. It's very good. So we are very happy to have this opportunity to introduce you. So now you see our machine is running in the domestic customer factory. Okay, it is running 14 ounce the Coca-Cola cups. Speed you see it is 150 pieces per minute. Okay, so our machine, the paper feeding you see it is by the rotary feeding. It makes sure the paper goes smoothly and stable and fast. Okay, so the machine we use the laser hot air system. And our hot air system is also different from others. Yeah. So if you want more details, you can send me emails or WhatsApp me or WeChat me. Okay. Then you can send me our flyer to get you can get more ideas about our machine. Yeah. As you see, our machine is the China first for Servo Driven Paper. Okay. And this machine installed the inline camera inspection system. It can detect the dirty and the spots of the cups, which is fault. Here is the screen that show it's okay or not to see where is the problem. Okay, this is the paper conveyor. So now in his factory, he connected this cup machine with the automatic flow packing system. So you can see here is about 4 cup machines connected to the packing machine, so it will be more easier and save your labors, give you high capacity, and reduce the risk that the people touch the cups. So it will be more clean and more better in the production. If you want to get more information about our good cup machine, welcome to contact me, Aegean, at the email sales at XZT-150 and my WhatsApp, also WeChat, is this number. Thank you very much. Bye. Bye.